In this video, I'm going to buy TikTok followers for $5 to see if the followers I purchase it will drop or not, and whether those followers will watch my videos, which I upload on my account. Through this experiment and my experience, you'll get an idea of whether or not you should buy followers for your TikTok account. So let's get started. By clicking on the link provided in the description or comment box, you'll directly land on this amazing website called unnatural. And in this video, I will be giving free followers to 5 lucky subscribers. Just type your unnatural username and your TikTok username in the comment section down below. I will give you around 1,000 followers for first 5 lucky subscribers. I'll use a random comment picker to select the first 5 subscribers and provide them with free followers. So, what are you waiting for, bro? Once you visit the website, you can see that they offer many services for popular social media platforms, such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and many more. Today, we're going to purchase TikTok followers. There are different options for TikTok followers. The ones I used are called followers with refill. They provide refills because sometimes TikTok can detect that the followers are fake or purchased. I bought the followers with refill option, and since TikTok can sometimes detect fake followers, they offer a refill to replace any deleted followers. These followers come with a 1-month guarantee. If TikTok removes them within the first 30 days, you can request a refill, and they will provide you with replacement followers. Another option is high-quality followers. These tend to drop off less, and they also get everything here, including targeted TikTok followers from specific countries. Views come with a similar description where refills are provided for lost followers. Yes, you can get likes too, all of which you can easily purchase as services. This makes it convenient to grow your TikTok presence with targeted engagement and a variety of options. This is the account we sent followers to, and I chose this account because it only had 513 followers and it's not private, so we can easily check if the followers have been added. Before buying followers, I needed to add funds to my unnatural account. I clicked on Add Funds, and many payment methods appeared, including cards, Payeer, Perfect Money, crypto, bank transfer, and more options. I chose the crypto option, entered $10 in the amount section, and received a 50-cent bonus, which the website offers when you add funds. Then I clicked Pay, filled in the required details, and successfully added funds to my account, as you can see here with the balance in my account. Now it's time to buy followers for my TikTok account. I reviewed the available services and selected the 1-month refill and high-quality followers service because I found them to be quite reliable. I went to my TikTok account, copied my profile link, and pasted my TikTok profile link in the designated field. I entered the amount, around 1,000 followers, which cost approximately $4.30. After that, I clicked Purchase Now, and my order was successfully placed here. Now the followers started arriving in my account, which you can see here. This account is getting followers. I'll show you by visiting these followers' accounts to confirm that they aren't bot accounts. You can see that these accounts already have followers and followings, indicating their active profiles. Let's look at another one to further confirm. This account too has real activity. Let me refresh and show you how the followers are being added to my account. If you want, you can check them in your followers list directly like I am doing here. And here's the short method to buy followers for $5, which is literally good. Make sure to type your unnatural username and your TikTok username in the comment section down below to receive free followers. I'll be giving 1,000 followers to lucky people. See you next Media Tech video. Goodbye.